Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see the special type of a grid line. I've applied it before the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation it should disappear. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Defaults. Now let's tap on Done, and as you can see we just got back to the camera, which does not have the grid lines, the golden spiral, which simply means, of course, that we successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.